Hey, everyone! I know how frustrating it can be to see the tire pressure light come on, even when your tires seem fine. But don't worry, we've got you covered. So let's get that light reset in just a few easy steps. In the third-generation Lexus RX, your vehicle is equipped with a TPMS reset button. Follow these steps to reset the tire pressure sensor on your car. Step 1. Adjust the cold tire pressure in all 4 tires recommended on the tire placard. Step 2. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. Step 3. Next, you'll want to find the TPMS reset button. In most Lexus RX models, this button is right above the accelerator pedal. So you need to press the button until the tire pressure indicator blinks slowly 3 times. Step 4. After that, you'll wait several minutes for the system to record each tire's pressure, and you're done. Unlike the previous model year, on this model, you have to enter the system menu to reset the TPMS. Follow these steps to do it. Step 1. Adjust the cold tire pressure in all 4 tires recommended on the tire placard. Step 2. Turn on your car. Step 3. Use the navigation button and go to the Gear tab menu. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Vehicle Settings menu, and then press the OK button. Step 5. Scroll down and highlight TPMS. Step 6. Hold down the OK button until the resetting is complete, and you're done. On the latest generation Lexus RX, you can reset the tire pressure light by using the multimedia display. So follow me along. Step 1. Make sure to adjust the tire inflation pressure recommended on the tire placard. Step 2. Turn on your car. Step 3. Tap on the gear icon on the left tab menu. Step 4. Scroll down and select Vehicle Customize. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on the Tire Pressure menu. Step 6. See on the right side and tap on Set Current Air Pressure. Step 7. When a confirmation dialog appears, select Continue and you're done. And there you have it. Remember, keeping an eye on your tire pressure is crucial for both safety and fuel efficiency. Be sure to check your tire pressure regularly, especially during temperature changes, as this can affect your readings. Anyway, stay safe on the road, and we'll see you in the next video.